With the cameras?
Yeah. Okay.
Usually it's off the boat.
Do they go like?
So we go around. Oh, the people, yeah. Oh, they're everywhere, yeah. But we're usually pretty mellow. Yeah.
During the Battle of Britain, they tried a number of times to bomb the bridge, but they never managed to hit it. But there was a German fighter during that period of time that came up the river, shooting his machine gun called Strength. And as we make our way under the bridge here, just to the left of that left here, if you look as we're going through here, to the left, you'll notice
It's the middle, right? It's the green.
chips off the granite from the machine gun.